I am a bustle, which is a business unit supply chain lead. I'm a liaison between the planners and the suppliers and the actual production cells. My business units are the weld areas, so I'm in charge of getting the piece parts that would go into a welded transmission or a welded frame, a welded cab, and eventually become a completed machine. So my goal is to provide the most efficient path for each piece part to get from our point of receipt into our facilities to its point of use. I came in to the production facility not really knowing much of anything about the production side of it. And every step of the way I had support. I was able to learn on the job as I was working. My husband also works here at Bobcat. He's a welder. His parents both worked for Bobcat. So when I came into the company, I already knew a lot from the outside coming in. But I'll tell you what, once you get in here and you are a part of this family, it's great. I was really pleasantly surprised at how wonderful it was to work here. My name is Dawn Anderson, and we are Bobcat.